2025, we are building relationships before asking for money. It'll be the difference between you getting $20,000 and 6 figures in front of you. What's going on, family? It's your boy Darius back with another episode of Influence to Impact podcast, where we have influential and impactful conversations to help you get to that next level. Listen, y'all, today I want to go over relationship secrets in 2025 to get you funded 6 figures or more. All right. So one thing I've been noticing is, the internet is a place where things seem microwave. But what if I told you that all things that are great take some time? Now, I'm not telling you it's taking a lot of time, but we do need to start spending time. All right. For example, if I just met one of you off the street, you don't know me from a hole in the wall, and I ask you for $500, how many are you going to say yes? How many are you going to say no? Exactly. Most of y'all in the comments say, hell no. Why? Because you don't know me, you don't have a rapport with me. But when it comes to the banking system, a lot of us feel like we can walk in the bank, open an account, and say, hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. I'd like to go get $30,000. That's not how it works, just how it doesn't work in real life, all right? So what I wanted to do today is I want to give you all some relationship secrets that can help you get 6 figures in funding in the next 6 months, all right? Secret number 1, when it comes to building relationships, you all want to start with credit unions. As I always advise, I always talk about, one of the biggest and best ways we can do this is getting with one of their credit builder products. For example, a lot of people have heard about the Navy Fed pledge loan. All right. Well, what if I told you that Navy Fed isn't the only credit union that has this pledge loan? Essentially, all the pledge loan is it's leveraging your money, borrowing against that to be able to build a secure account that's going to help you build a rapport with that credit union, which is going to qualify you for higher limits. All right. There are other places like Digital Federal Credit Union who will allow you to do the same thing. They call it something slightly different. It might be called, depending on the lender, a shared savings secured loan or a savings secured loan. All right. But all you want to do is you want to go to the credit union site. You want to go to credit builder products. And what you want to do is you want to start one of those. That's how you see people with a 660, a 670 still qualifying for these $10, $15, or even $20,000 credit cards out the gate, all right, because they're building an internal relationship, which 90% of credit unions have an internal relationship score. So you have your overall credit score, but then you have your internal score with that specific credit union, which is going to be give you much more leeway than it would if you didn't have a relationship, all right? That's way number 1. The second thing we can do when it comes to business funding, y'all, we want to make sure that we are not only opening up a business account first, right? I see a lot of people in the 2024, 2023, you could get away with just applying. Hey, I got good credit, I can just apply. Now banks are cracking down. They want to make sure that we have some sort of money. So what I recommend is depositing some money. Now, doesn't have to be $10,000. It don't got to be even $5,000. It don't even got to be $1,000. The more the merrier, of course, but understand the power of just having a couple $100s in a bank account sitting there. All right. If we want to further enhance that relationship, what I can do is I can start making weekly deposits. What does this show? This shows consistency. Just like if we're building a rapport in business or in dating, right? The more consistent you are with texting that girl, right? For the ladies, the more consistent you are with texting back that fella, it's going to build you a stronger bond, which is going to allow a person to build trust with you. Same thing with the banks. If I'm at Chase and I have weekly deposits, $100, $200, $500, what happens is over time I start to build a stronger relationship. Now when I go apply for funding, I'm a lot more likely to get that $20, $30, $50,000 that I'm looking for. All right. So if I was you, what I would do is you can either use money from your business, or hell, I don't care if you have a check coming in from whatever it may be. Let's start building these relationships to help us get in position. Right. My favorite saying to all my students, all the people we fund, is why get a little if we can get a lot? All right. So make sure that you start building this rapport. You can do this a number of ways, which I'll describe in my next video. We will break down generating more income. But y'all, listen, make sure that in 2025, we are building relationships before asking for money. It'll be the difference between you getting $20,000 and 6 figures in funding. All right. Back with another episode of Influence to Impact podcast with your boy Darius. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Share this thing out. We'll be here every week giving you new game. Our goal is to bridge the gap from where you are to where you want to be. We'll be back next week, y'all. Y'all enjoy another episode. I'm out of here.